Most brownies have over 400 calories per piece, but this one has just 105. And the secret? No flour, no sugar, just a few simple ingredients that make it naturally sweet, rich, and chocolatey. First, I blend the apples until smooth. Then I add eggs, salt, vanilla, cocoa powder, and baking powder, mixing everything into a silky batter. Now comes the secret ingredient, psyllium husk. It gives the brownies a better texture, making them softer and more structured. I grease the baking pan, pour in the batter, and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes. One important tip, don't increase the temperature. Baking at the right heat ensures the perfect moist texture without drying them out. The result? A soft, rich brownie that tastes amazing on its own. But if you like, you can add a topping. Though honestly, it's perfect as is. If you're always looking for guilt-free desserts, make sure to subscribe, there's more to come. What's a dessert you could eat every day? Let me know in the comments. I'll try to make a healthy version of it. Enjoy your treat. Your healthy sweet tooth friend, Karina.